This is an actual Regent question from the August 2015 Algebra 1 Regent. It is question number 22. The question gives us 4 values for P and 4 values for W. They want to know which set of P and W will P plus W give us a rational number. The easiest way to answer this question is to just enter the values of P plus W for choices 1, 2, 3, and 4 into your calculator and see which one will give you a rational number. So for the first, we're going to start with choice 1. Alpha y equals, enter to give you the fraction symbol. Then the numerator is 1, denominator, square root of 3. Okay, right arrow to get next to the fraction, because we're going to add the other fraction now, plus alpha y equals, enter to add another fraction symbol. And the numerator is 1, the denominator is the square root of 6. Enter. This gives us a long decimal, and the calculator could not convert it to a fraction for us. If the calculator would have been able to make it into a fraction, they would have put it into a fraction because we entered our equation as a fraction. So if the calculator would have been able to, they would have given us our answer as a fraction. Therefore, we don't have to do math frac. But since they were not able to, this is an irrational number, and choice 1 is therefore not the answer to the question. Okay, let's check out choice 2. Alpha y equals, enter for a fraction, 1 over square root of 4 plus alpha y equals, enter, 1 over the square root of 9. Enter. This is a fraction. 5 over 6 is a fraction, and therefore this is a rational number. Choice 2 is the answer to the question. Let's just check out choices 3 and 4 just to be sure. You really don't have to because you already know that 2 is rational because it's a fraction, but let's just check it out anyway. For choice 3. Nope, this is also an irrational number because the calculator could not give us our answer as a fraction. So choice 3 is not the answer to the question. Choice 4. 1 over the square root of 25. This is also an irrational number because the calculator could not give us our answer as a fraction. So choice 2 we've determined is the correct answer to the question. Now, you also could have done this question by noticing whenever you have a rational number plus another rational number, you're always going to get a rational number as your answer. So if you notice that in choice 2, 1 over the square root of 4 is a rational number, because 1 over the square root of 4 is 1 over 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. And you would also notice that 1 over the square root of 9 is 1 over 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. So if you notice that this fraction is rational, this fraction is rational, when you add 2 rational numbers, you're always going to get a rational number. So therefore, without even testing the other answer choices, you know that choice 2 is the answer to the question because a rational plus a rational is always a rational number.